When blood hits a rough inside wall, factor 12 is the first to call. It activates 11, that's the cue. Then 9 steps in with 8 helping too. Intrinsic is inside the vessel, it seems, measured by aPTT in the lab machine. Slower than extrinsic but strong in the end. It's the body's main clotting friend.
Now if the vessel's cut from the outside, tissue factor shows it can't hide. It joins with factor 7 to start. This extrinsic path is quick and smart.
Extrinsic is tested by PT. Warfarin prolongs it, as you'll see. Fast to respond when the bleeding starts, but it needs intrinsic to build strong parts.
Clot or not, they both combine at factor 10. The pathways align with help from 5. It's time to go, turning prothrombin into thrombin's flow.
Thrombin is the star, the master key. It acts on fibrinogen, make fibrin mesh free. Then factor 13 cross-links the strands. Now the clot is strong, held in our hands.
Remember, fibrin is like a net, catching red cells so bleeding is set. This final step is what we need to stop the loss and halt the bleed.
Hemophilia A,
Factor 8 is low.
Hemophilia B,
Factor 9 won't show.
Hemophilia C.
It's factor 11.
Intrinsic defects make bleeding begin.
Warfarin blocks vitamin K's might.
2, 7, 9, 10 UK to work right.
Heparin helps by stopping thrombin fast.
So anticoagulation can last. PT INRs for warfarins check. aPTT for heparin, keep them in spec. Too low clots, too high in bleed. Balance is the golden D. Clot or not, here's the cascade. Intrinsic, extrinsic, both are played. Factor 10 to thrombin, fibrin, net tight. That's how your body seals the site.
Clot or not, here's the cascade. Intrinsic, extrinsic, both are played. Factor 10 to thrombin, fibrin, net tight. That's how your body
seals the site.